Hi, I'm Evan Amundsen. I'm an illustrator, character artist, and content creator. I developed concept art for games like Magic the Gathering, Banner Saga, and Assassin's Creed, and collaborated with clients like Riot Studios, Ubisoft, Massive Black, Sun Creature Studio, Java, and even Games Workshop. My job is all about believability. Whether it's for an extremely stylized piece or a more realistic one, we really have to establish this bond with the audience. In that sense, for me, no trick has been more valuable than solid world building. To draw memorable heroes and villains and wizards, it's key to define what rules, cultures, and communities they encapsulate. So, even before I draw any lines, there's lots of dreaming to do and choices to make. After that, my process is simply about layering basic elements and creating from within this universe where every detail tells a story. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to use world building to help you produce captivating designs. For your final project, you'll develop your own fascinating character. We'll begin with some techniques for finding the essence of characters, avoiding cliches, and defining their world and rules. Then we'll develop the framework, the context, and the history of our protagonist. Next, you'll think about yourself as a creator, analyze your strength, and learn how to avoid the dreaded art block. So, time to draw. First, we'll use simple shapes to create our character's structure, and then build up the layers until we've captured the mannequin's pose and costume. After that, we add lines, volumes, angles, as well as color, texture, and lighting. Lastly, we'll tidy up the composition, apply the finishing touches, and add some extra details. By the end of this course, you'll know how to bring to life characters with both inner and outer worlds. To achieve this, you'll need image-making materials, be those digital or analog. I work in Procreate, but this is entirely optional. Learn how to conceive characters that tell a whole story at a glance.